guys, welcome to my channel, Mike MVP, and today I'm taking you guys to a special car meeting. That is the first of this year, W124 Mercedes meeting in this Mercedes dealership, uptown Bangkok, called Mercedes Benz W124. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna leave this guy behind a little bit. What's up, folks? So we'll take you there, and I'm taking my SONY ZV1. We're gonna take pictures and a couple of video of the car, let you guys see the vibe and how they do it over here in Thailand with W124. Hopefully make some cool friends and come back, show you guys the picture that I take from this SONY ZV1. The name is SONY ZV1, because I am too lazy to take this one and I want to mingle and get to know people more than take pictures and video. So let's go. Alright guys, so behind me is where all the event is happening. I'm just gonna walk through and show you guys the event, what's popping first, what car's here first. Then we're gonna take some picture with this ZV1, show it to you guys to the end, so stick around to the end. Peace! Alright guys, so we got a picture of most of the car already, and after this we're gonna go home to the studio to edit the picture, let you guys see the quality of the ZV1, which I don't think is gonna be that good, but I don't know, it might surprise me. And shout out to all the guys here at the W124 meeting at Mercedes, I can't even pronounce the name, W124. Shout out to my new friend over there, see you later. And thanks you guys, enjoy the picture. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I hope you enjoyed the event today, man. Let's go check out the picture. Peace and love. Guys, we're back. We're back from the event. It was cool, man. Everybody was so cool, but don't take it from me. Take it from her. Babe! How was the event?
It was very good. He speak English and I took pictures. Right. And he's gonna post it, he promised.
The picture's not that epic, so I just posted it on my timeline because I took it with the SONY ZV1. You guys will see that soon. Yeah, as you guys see the picture, the event is pretty cool. But now I'm gonna show you guys the picture quality of what SONY ZV1 is kind of capable or incapable of doing. I mean, it does the job, but it's not like super cinematic like this big beast. But trading that off for your time to be able to mingle and get to know people and enjoy the party, it's definitely one of the things that I hardly ever do when I go to event and party. And guess what, guys? I didn't do that at this event either because I was filming more, but I didn't film that much as other event. But check out the picture. Hope you guys enjoy it. Check out our TikTok. What's it called, babe?
Lit by MVP.
Lit by MVP. Check out our Instagram for more dope cinematic, epic NFT, Marvel cinematic looking like type of car pictures. And yo, if you feel my shit, like and subscribe. Oh, by the way, shout out to the whole W124 crew. You guys are bomb, man. I met a couple of cool guys. I think it was Bruce, Siam, Oak. You guys are dope. And for those I didn't mention that we met, thank you for having me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. For those of you guys watching, like, subscribe to my shit if you feel my shit. Peace!